Children, today I am going to start the new topic of the chapter Children and Women in Sports. The topic is exercise guidelines at different stages of growth and development. What is the topic? The topic for the day is exercise guidelines at different stages of growth and development. Okay, why exercise are very important for the growth and development? Exercise or physical activity has the potential to improve the physical and mental health of nation. Exercise or physical activity has the potential to improve the physical and mental has the potential to improve the physical and mental health of nation. Mental health of nation. It reduces means regular physical activities when you will perform. It reduces the maximum causes of mortality. It reduces maximum causes of mortality. And improve life expectancy. Life expectancy. So, physical activity or exercise are very important to improve the health. Regular physical activities can save money. It is very important to save the money. How? Because when we perform any physical activities or exercises, improve the health, fitness, so we save the money for medicines. Exercise is important us to remain active. Exercise is important for us, for everyone. Exercise is important for us to remain active throughout our lives. Active throughout our lives. Children, physical activities or exercise are very important to make our life healthy. It is significant for infants, children's, teens, growth and development. This continues through preschools. When you start to school, you start the physical activity. School, adolescence, adulthood, and older years. Means we can perform, or that person perform it regularly, you will get them healthy. Example, greater the volume of exercise, greater the volume of exercise, greater the volume of exercise or physical activities undertaken, the greater health benefits undertaken, the greater health benefits that are obtained. How? Through exercises. So exercise is also helpful in reducing the risk of, it is very important. Exercise is also helpful in reducing the risk of depression. It reduces the risk of depression. Also, risk of depression. It controls the dementia. It controls dementia. Children, what is the dementia? What is dementia? Dementia is a type of the disease affected person lost the memory and lost the power of judgment. Alzheimer. Alzheimer, Alzheimer. Alzheimer's is also a disease destroying memory and the other important mental problems. So exercise is very important to control depression, control dementia, control Alzheimer, as well as it improves the self-perception. It improves the self-perception. Self-esteem. Mood. Which type of the mood? Healthy mood. Sleep quality. Sleep quality. Children. It improves means when you will perform the regular physical activity or exercises, it improves the self-perception, self-esteem, healthy mood, sleep quality. What is the sleep quality? Sleep quality in this day you will get when you will study or this survey. more number of the people takes pills after dinner, tablets, capsules for good sleep. So we can tell exercises are a pills that give the good sleep. It can be said that exercise or physical activity is essential for proper growth and development of the individual. So my children, you expect the good growth and development, do regular physical activities. There are following guidelines related to exercise or the physical activity in various stages of the growth. I will discuss one by one. The stages of growth and development. The first stage is known by infancy. 0 to 2 years. 0 to 2 years means from the time of birth to till 2 years age known by the infancy. What is the infancy? This age is also known by the toddler's stage. This age of the infancy or infancy age is known by toddler's stage. During this stage of the growth and development, physical activity or exercise should be encouraged. During this stage of growth and development, physical activity or exercise should be encouraged. Gross motor activities should be promoted and parents should provide healthy diet. In this age, during infancy, healthy diet are very important. Also, the playful environment, the environment should be healthy for a infant, for his or her growth and development. Which type of the activities you will expect for infant? Activities for infant. Activities for infant. My children, please listen very carefully. What is the age group? 0 to 2 years, from the date of birth to till 2 years. The activities for infant are which type of the activities? Only we can expect. My dear student, please listen and close your eye. By chance this question will come in your test or examination, and guess your own family or neighbor there has an infant. Which type of the activity performed by an infant? You can see head control, an infant moving any direction, sitting, an infant cannot sit properly, but after birth you can see after few months an infant start to bending, means rolling. You can see on the bed an infant rolled in any direction, rolling, bending, crawling, then standing, then start to walking, after walking which type of activity you can expect? Stepping, he or she start to take the steps. Block building, what is the block building? Making the grip. Block building, such type of the activities should be encouraged. You can see an infant should be indulged in the some exercises such as moving arms. You can see the exercise moving arms, moving legs, reaching to various objects. You can see in your family where you get the infant try to reach, to catch, reaching to various objects. Infant should be provided objects, toys, games, to encourage them to move and do things for themselves. But my little suggestion for you, don't provide the facility of the watching TV. Don't try to provide to watching TV. It is very dangerous for you also. But in this COVID time, don't provide watching TV. Mobile. But during COVID-19, mobile has become an important electronic gadget for you. But don't provide the mobile to an infant. Such type of the electronics equipments, instrument, don't provide to infant, because such type of the instrument produce the radiation. Okay, any doubt? Okay, so I am going to start the second stage of the growth is known by early childhood. What is early childhood? My children, in the some books you will get the age 3 to 6 years, in the some books 3 to 7 years. Both are correct. Good example of the epic movie of the Hrithik Roshan, Koi Mil Gaya. So early childhood age is 3 to 6 or 3 to 7 years. The early childhood period is the most rapid development of the motor behavior. This age is the most rapid development of motor behavior. Motor behavior. This period is also called preschool years, before 3 years, but in this day children start to go school after 2.5 years. In this age, the main concern is to develop gross motor components. In this age group, main concern is to develop gross motor components. The last video you have seen the gross motor and fine motor. Gross motor components along with fine motor develops gross motor components along with fine motor components. Fine motor components. The children should be provided healthy playful area. Environment should be clean, hygienic. Special care should be given to diet. Diet should be healthy. In this age group, special care should be given. Which type of the care? To diet. Special care should be given to diet. Environment. Their habits. Moral values. Moral values. Recreational activities. Recreational activities. It should be healthy and hygienic environment. Activities for childhood. Which type of the activities you will expect? Activities early childhood. In this age group, we get the gross motor development activities are very important. Please guess. Gross motor development activities are preferred by the early childhood stage by the children's. Which type of the activities will come in this category? Running, jumping, running, jumping, throwing, catching, kicking, hopping, climbing, climbing, stepping, gross motor development activity like running, jumping, throwing, catching, kicking, ladder climbing, hopping, climbing, stepping are more beneficial. But some other activities of the fine motor skills like coordinative abilities, coordinative abilities, activities like, please guess it, which type of the activity you will tell the coordinative ability, like dancing. Without coordination you cannot dance. Calisthenics, children, you have performed activity, recreational activity, bhagam bhag. When you get time in the games classes or the PT period, when you feel the tired, bhagam bhag. In bhagam bhag, 7 stones. The coordination is very important, as well as structured or unstructured physical activities should be performed daily for the proper growth and development. When you will be performed, or in these age group, when they will perform such type of the activities, really they will develop the proper growth and development. The next stage is later childhood. Later childhood, what is the age? 7 to 12 years. In this stage of childhood, the growth is slower. Whereas development is very fast. In later childhood stage, growth is slower. Other side, development is very fast. Muscles gain strength. Muscles start to gain strength. Muscles gain strength. Also, you will get the good neuromuscular coordination. Children start to develop the neuromuscular coordination activities like kicking the ball, dribbling of the basketball. Neuromuscular coordination is very important. Intellectual development comes through the practice. Intellectual development comes through practice. Comes through practice, experience. And repetition. Repetition to get the intellectual development. Practice, experience and repetition is very important. The social development comes through the family. The social development is very important. You learn the social habits through social development from family and friends. You prefer to friends, family and friends. In this age group, you will get the children have lot of energy. Thus, child should perform lot of activities. Okay? Which type of the activities for the later childhood? Which type of the activities you will expect or you will provide for the proper growth and development? Activities for later childhood. During this stage of growth and development, children should indulge in activities like which type of the activity preferred, especially the 6-7 class students. They love to run. You will get running is very important. They prefer to run. Jumping, throwing, catching, children prefer to stunt also in this age group. Gymnastics, in this age group you will get interest in the gymnastic also, where children get the facility. Gymnastic you can also perform like the rolling is also a good example of the gymnastics. Swimming, children prefer to love swimming. Modern children love to perform yoga, meditation. Also, you get the children prefer to play football, handball, handball, basketball, volleyball, are more beneficial for the proper growth and development of the later childhood stage. Also, you can see in this age group a special kind of the activity known by the calisthenics. Calisthenics and rhythmic exercises rhythmic exercises. What is the rhythmic exercises? Children prefer to, or you have performed when you were studying in the class 6-7, mass PT. These are the rhythmic exercises. Dumbbell, etc. are more beneficial for the later childhood stage. Next stage is known by the adolescence. What is? Next stage is adolescence age. From which age group? 13 to 18 years. Adolescence age is known by 13 to 18 years. Adolescence is the growing period from childhood to maturity. Adolescence is the growing period from childhood to maturity. This period is very delicate period, very delicate and challenge for individual, as well as parents. You are coming in this category. Your age is approximately 17 to 18 years. When you come to school, your parents think about you till you don't return to his home. In this age group, you will get the sex differences is prominent and the brings sex consciousness in this age. In this period, there are rapid changes of physical, mental mental, emotional, and social development. Social development. Mostly we get changes in your physical structure. Your mental ability, attitude changed. Some children become the emotional, and you prefer to develop the social relation to your friends. And in the development of the social relation, you prefer to your friend in the comparison of your family members. So the balance between physical and mental development is lacking, so it is critical period. Your age is very critical, and also this age is known by storm period. You can control the storm? No. Means when you will decide to blast a cracker in the school, any person cannot challenge to you. You will get and you will do. Because you are same like as a star. Activities for the adolescents. Which type of the activity you prefer? Activities for adolescents. Which type of the activities you prefer? Please recite. No? Okay, listen. During this stage of growth and development, moderate to intensive exercises are recommended for at least 60 minutes for you per day. 60 minutes. Per day is very important for your proper growth and development. Also, we recommended for the muscles strengthening exercises. Muscles strengthening exercises at least 3 days per week. At least 3 days are very important for you. Also, you prefer to running. You love to run? Yes, I get you when you got chances to play. Running, jumping, throwing. When you get chances, you start to throw javelin, hammer, discus, etc. Gymnastics, rope skipping, swimming, Also, you prefer to team games, team sports like football, basketball, hockey, kabaddi, kabaddi. You prefer to weight training. Weight training. As well as diet, as well as your diet should be strong, nutritious. Your diet should be healthy. Why? Because you are performing the more activities, so needs of the good diet to maintain your health as well as your fitness for the proper growth and development. In this age, your diet should be full of the nutritions. Nutritious diet is very important, especially for you, because you are doing the physical as well as mental work more. The next and last stage of the growth is known by adulthood, above 18 years. Means after that they will be complete class 12th. Approximately children reach in the age of adulthood. Adults should try to be active always. Adults should try to be active always. So in always active, they should do brisk walking. In this age, walking is very important for you. Bike riding, especially I have seen when the two functions, especially at the time of the function of the farewell or at the time of the teacher's day, you perform the dancing. Means you love to dance. Also you love to swimming. When you get chance, don't miss to run. Running. When you get chance to ground activity, start to running. Aerobic exercises. In the modern day have increased the demand of the aerobics. What is the aerobic? Aerobic is a type of the rhythmic activity when you perform on the music. Fast music you start to dance, known by the aerobics. weight training like push-ups, weight training, exercises push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, exercise with dumbbell, exercise with dumbbell, running, jumping are more beneficial for bone strengthening. Running and jumping are more beneficial for bone strengthening. AST, more beneficial for bone strengthening. strengthening, strengthening. And very important with these activities, what is the very important with these activities? Good diet. Good diet means healthy diet. And proper rest. Is very important for the proper growth and development in the age of adulthood. In this age group, you perform the moderate intensity exercises. So, diet is very important according to the nature of activities. And according to the nature of activities, your rest period should not be less for the proper growth and development. Okay, that's all. Thank you.